Hello everyone, my name is Hong and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now I'm super excited right now because after a pretty long wait, I'm finally gonna get inoculated with the CoronaVac from SINOVAC. Now like most of you, I too am very nervous and also a little skeptical. But having said that, while a cure is obviously going to be better than a vaccine, given the circumstances and the situation we're in right now globally, then I would say any vaccine is better than nothing at all. So here in Singapore, there are two main vaccines available and approved for use by the government. The first one being Pfizer, which was approved in December last year, and the second one being Moderna, which was approved in February this year. The third option, which is the one I'm going for, SINOVAC, was only approved via special access route permission in June, which was about 3 weeks ago. Okay, enough talking. Let's go. Hello. I'm home, super fast, efficient, seamless, and easy. So the whole process started last week when I did my online registration, and they got back to me, the clinic got back to me a couple of days later saying that there was an available slot, and I replied, okay, done. I got to the clinic about 10 minutes before my appointment time because I wanted to get some B-rolls. Didn't really get the chance to do that because basically the moment I arrived, I was able to do my registration. There was no queue. Did my registration, which took about 1 minute. Got inside, made my payment, which was about 1 minute, and then got my queue number. And just when I was asking the nurse if I should be waiting outside or waiting inside, ding, it was my turn. So went inside, the doctor sat me down and explained to me what I was getting myself into. Explained what some of the things I was not supposed to do, such as no strenuous exercise for a week, no alcohol for a couple of days. But yeah, once that was done, and that took a minute, jet, freaking fast. Went outside, had to wait outside for about 15-20 minutes for a mandatory cool down period just to make sure that there's no adverse reaction to the vaccine, and there was none, and I was done. So a lot of my friends have been asking me why I chose SINOVAC over the other options. By the way, first of all, full disclaimer, I am obviously not a doctor, because if I were, then this channel would be called Dr. Hong. Sounds pretty good. So the idea of the messenger RNA, or mRNA, which is what Pfizer and Moderna uses, has been conceptualized, or rather was first conceptualized sometime in the 60s. And it wasn't until the 90s when scientists and researchers were able to actually put that into cells and living organisms and all that fancy good stuff. But it wasn't until last year, when this COVID-19 just started exploding worldwide, that the mRNA technology was used on an actual human being. In a super concise nutshell, based on my research and my understanding of everything, and by the way, I'm not that smart in this field of science and stuff. mRNA vaccines are basically human-made synthetic options, whereas traditional vaccines, such as the SINOVAC, uses a dead virus or an inactivated virus for the vaccine, for your body to learn how to build its own antibodies or immune system. And because the virus is so new, so deadly, pharmaceutical companies worldwide have been scrambling to find vaccination solutions and hopefully cures. And at this point, no one knows what kind of long-term effects it might have, not to mention the mutations that the virus continually goes through. But like I said at the beginning of this video, any vaccine is better than no vaccine. And don't get me wrong, it's not that I don't trust mRNA vaccines. For me, personally, I have full confidence in the Singapore government and full confidence in Singapore's Ministry of Health in finding or creating the best solutions possible for everyone here. I'm also not against man-made synthetic stuff. I mean, I eat tons of processed food, which is just as detrimental to health. I smoke, I drink. So why Sinovac? Well, this is 100% personal opinion. I just feel a little bit more at ease knowing that it's something natural being injected into me. That's pretty much it. I'm not saying one is better than the other. I obviously wouldn't know. But what I'm trying to say is, regardless of whatever, go get vaccinated. Protect your loved ones, protect your family, protect your friends. Go get vaccinated. Alright, that's the end of this little vlog video. Thank you so much for accompanying me on this journey. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Please take care.